This video is a slideshow of the photos that I took of the JRR Tolkien tapestries in the museum at Aubusson. It's for my sister Liz because she never made it over before the exhibition closed, which was a great shame. So here we go. I'm not sure which ones are from The Lord of the Rings and which ones are from The Hobbit. Bilbo was the Hobbit, wasn't it? The last three tapestries are all to do with a book that I think Tolkien's son Christopher published, and Tolkien used to write letters from Father Christmas to his children, and he used to illustrate them. So poor old polar bear always used to get into trouble, and there he is falling downstairs. And I can't remember the stories behind them.